Come on, Robinson.
Hey.
Sorry to get you back on here, but we just need to clarify something real quick. Looks like you have a son with the same name. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So your 1981 is your date, your birth, right?
Yes.
Okay. So the offer the prosecutor made to you was to dismiss your original charge for failed display in exchange for proof for exchange of impeding traffic, but he also included in that offer dismissing your son's charge, which of course we can't dismiss his charge through you, right? So
I know.
So we just need to go back on the record real quick. This case number 19W00837-1A and correct the record. So Mr. Barnett, your offer in this matter was to, in exchange for an admission responsibility to impeding traffic, you would dismiss the no license on person misdemeanor. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay, and there's no offer with regard to Juwan Robinson Jr. Is that correct?
That is correct. As you pointed out, I can't make that offer. So.
Right. So, Mr. Robinson, are you still okay with that offer and the acceptance of responsibility for the impeding traffic that you did earlier?
Yeah. So, Your Honor, I still got to pay the 180.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I can't undo that part, but we just had to correct the record as far as your son's ticket goes.
Oh no! See, I thought that was the ticket for my. Okay. All right.
Yeah. Now, your son has a driving having never acquired license, which he actually is he there with you by any chance?
No.
Okay, he needs to get in touch with us because he needs to be arraigned on that charge.
Okay.
So if you're in touch with him, and I'll just let him know he needs to contact the court to get that taken care of. Okay.
So he didn't go to court. He didn't go to court last week for that.
We haven't seen him. Nope.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Well, I appreciate you coming back so we could correct the record on this. So we'll have the original deal you had for your ticket. Your misdemeanor is dismissed, and the civil infraction still is what the result of that was. Okay.
Okay. Y'all still gonna send an email to the to my email?
Yep, absolutely. Yep.
All right. Yep. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Robinson, you're all set. I appreciate you coming back.
Right.
Thank you.
Yep.
Okay. Jill just said something. Okay, I guess so. You're just muted now, ma'am. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
All right. Hillside Township versus Virginia Brown, case numbers 20T00436 and 20W002415. All right. We have two traffic matters. One June 26th of 20 and one June 2nd of 20. Both failed to stop and identify property damage crashes. Were the people able to get restitution information on these files?
Yeah, I don't have any restitution information at this time.
Okay. Do you anticipate any being available, or are we do need to proceed without restitution?
To be honest, I would like an additional chance to try to get that information. I'm not very comfortable doing a resolution, at least without giving one last chance to to try to find that information. So I'm asking if we could adjourn briefly one
Certainly
last.
makes sense, given that these are property damage crashes, and there may be some issue that needs to, okay. All right, Ms. Brown, are you still on Lynn Court?
Lynn Ave.
Lynn Avenue, thank you. Yep, that's what it says. I misread it. Okay. So just like last time, the people are asking for a little bit more time to investigate the restitution issue on this side. And Public Defender, Mr. Carey, you with us?
Yes, Your Honor, I am.
Okay, your office is appointed on this matter. So
Correct.
people are asking for an adjournment. Any objection to the adjournment?
If Ms. Brown is okay with the adjournment, then we will not object to it.
Okay, Ms. Brown is okay with you to put this out a little further?
Yes, it is.
Okay. All right. Mr. Barnett, how much time do you think people would need to get that
I
information?
think a couple of weeks should be sufficient. Or
Okay. Let's see, it looks like our dockets are a little crowded here. I mean, July 20th, a couple of weeks, can you do that, or do you? want
that's,
to-
yeah, sure, that's fine.
Okay, we'll adjourn 2 weeks to July 20th then. All right, thank you, Ms. Brown. We'll talk to you in about 2 weeks, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, stay safe.
Your Honor, if I may, I tried contacting Ms. Brown. We don't have updated information for you, Ms. Brown.
Let me go